Today, I'm excited to show you how to use your Cochlear Baha Remote Control 2. Whether you're a new recipient, have recently upgraded, or are just curious to learn more, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. If you don't have a smartphone to utilize the Cochlear Baha Smart app, then the Baha Remote Control 2 is an alternative to perform basic control functions. In order to use your remote control for the first time, you'll need to pair it to your Baha 6 Max sound processor. First, turn the Baha Remote Control 2 on by locating the button on the left side of the remote and sliding it down. Then, ensure it's fully charged. After it's fully charged, the next step is to pair it with your processor. Turn off your Baha 6 Max sound processor by opening the battery door. The next step is to pull down on the silver part of the Baha Remote Control 2. This will reveal the pairing button underneath. To begin the pairing process, press the white pairing button on the remote using the tip of a pen or a similar object. The Baha Remote Control 2 will indicate when it's in pairing mode. While it's in pairing mode, turn your processor back on by fully closing the battery door. Your Baha 6 Max will play ascending beeps to indicate pairing was successful. Place your sound processor back on your head and slide the silver portion of the remote control back up into place. Now that you've paired, you can control your processor. Press the P button to change your program. Press it again to toggle through all of your programs. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust your volume. If you have two sound processors, volume may be adjusted on both sound processors simultaneously or on each side independently by using the left and right arrows to indicate which sound processor's volume you want to adjust. You can mute and unmute the sound processor's microphones by pressing the mute button. You can also activate streaming to a true wireless accessory by pressing the button with the wireless icon. You can use the home button to return to the default settings on your sound processor at any time. This sets your sound processor to Program 1, default volume settings, and stops streaming to any wireless accessories. And that's the Baha Remote Control 2.